Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you how to use PowerPlug Pro Electricity Energy Saver. So you might be wondering, what is the PowerPlug Pro that you may be hearing or seeing online? Now, the PowerPlug Pro is a plug-in device that's marketed as an electricity saving solution for homes, and according to the official website here, it's designed to help stabilize power flow, reduce energy waste, and protect household appliances from power surges and voltage spikes. Now, the company says it uses its power tune technology to optimize electrical supply while operating silently and without maintenance. Now, using the PowerPlug Pro is quite simple, according to them. Now, you just need to plug the device into a standard wall outlet, preferably near your home's breaker box or in a central location. And once connected, a green indicator light shows the unit or shows that the unit is operating. Now, the manufacturer recommends leaving it plugged in continuously, stating that it works automatically to stabilize the electrical system and may begin showing results after several weeks of use. Now, the official website here currently lists the PowerPlug Pro at $59.97, discounted from the regular price of $119.99. It also advertises 30-day money-back guarantee and describes the device as maintenance-free and with no special installation required. Now, that's essentially how the PowerPlug Pro actually work. Now, according to the manufacturer here, it continuously filters electrical fluctuations and stabilizes the flow of electricity throughout your home while helping protect connected appliances from your voltage spikes. Now, these are claims, or their claims in their website. Now, if you're interested in this product here, doing your own research is always recommended. Now, this applies for any product that you are going to buy online. Now, looking at reviews and information from sources outside your official website, especially from independent electrical experts or consumer organizations, can help you make a more informed decision and ensure you're getting the best value for your money. But that's about it. So for this video, avoid the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.